Hello.
Where are you from?
USA.
USA?
Yep. Yay. Africa. It's funny. My descendants are from Africa. But I hail from the US by way of Jamaica. Okay, so we're going to do a quick tour here of this beautiful, beautiful place. We call this Kyanjin, and this is the yak factory. Yak factory. It's been around for a very long time. Actually, yak cheese is produced by Swiss. Oh, they're dogs. That's cool. Let's see any dogs here. Let's check that out. Okay. I was up there today, all the way up the top. I'm gonna get as much as of this village as possible. Kyanjin village. Oh, the sun, I gotta do it from the back. There we go. There we go. That's good. I don't want to get any glare in here. Hey, hello. Hey, beautiful people. Right. This is one of many bakeries. This bakery has been here for a while. It's the OG bakery. That's another, like a little Tibetan shop. Souvenirs. It's a little, let's jump that. Grab that really quickly. They have these little souvenir / Tibetan shops. Check this out. There we go. Namaste! YouTube!
Shop?
Okay, yes. This is her little shop. If you need souvenir, it's all handmade. It's Tibetan. Good deals. Just know when you buy this, it's going to be unique. No one else has it. All right.
Tibetan shop, eh?
Yeah. All right. So, some more hotels over there. We're going to check that out in just a minute. But let's jump back over and hit up this coffee shop. It's a little pricey. It's definitely caters to Westerners, you know, trekkers, but it's a little pricey. I had a ginger tea here yesterday. It wasn't the best experience because I've had other ginger tea and the price point was a little bit high than what I'm used to paying. Let's just go in. I'll take figure two. And then hopefully you can see some cakes. They also got espresso machine, but it's a little bit different from Langtang. A little bit different. I wouldn't say it's my favorite for sure, but if you're looking for a warm cup of coffee or a hot cup of tea, then that could be the spot. But it wasn't my favorite. I felt like they charged way too much, and it's another shop. This is one of the bigger villages, so you definitely can stock up on they even got like toothbrushes. And it's another coffee shop. I'm just gonna ride on through, go around, give you a feel, because before I got here, I actually had no idea what to expect. I'd never been here before. And now that I'm here, I thought it was be a great idea to do a tour of the village. Oh, this is a nice looking setup here. Nice hotel / guest house. Yeah, I thought it'd be nice to do a tour and give you an idea if you plan on doing this trek at some point in the future. Then you have an idea of what to expect when you arrive. It is a much bigger place than, let's say, Langtang Village or Bredem. I believe I actually saw an ATM. They have a lot more bakeries here, a lot more guest houses. and a lot more Westerners as far as trekkers. And I believe she's setting up shop. Are you setting up your camping?
My tent,
Yeah, her tent. That's cool. You can actually tent here. You can camp here.
can camp here.
That's so cool. That's so cool. Look at that. So much.
Cool, but it's great.
Yeah. It's the experience.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Look at this building, this guest house here. Woo! This is the Namaste guest house. Guess this is a courtyard. And most of the guest houses here, their dining hall and reception area are upstairs. So I get the sun, great views. Okay, let's go through here. I've got 8 minutes left to get as much content as possible. Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Show you around as much as I can. Namaste. Baguza. Oh, I said wrong language. Oh, another donkey. Yes. This is pretty cool. So, oh my God, look at that view. Absolutely kidding me. Are you kidding me? Are you not entertained? I am. This is a Buddha Inn. Looks nice. Oh my. Yeah. There's so many different guest houses to pick and choose from. You know, so many different options. And the people are really friendly. Donkey's just chilling. Let's go down here really quickly. So, after a long day, this is another guest house. You just want to hang out. Hey, how y'all doing? Namaste. Hello, hello. All right, all right. Okay, off we go. Yeah, I'm down. It's another guest house. Prayer bell. Okay. So, I want to make sure that the sun, namaste. Right. She's doing laundry. Another guest house. There's so many corners. Let's go this way. I'm sorry, I'm going really fast. This is a tea house here. Probably a dining hall. I don't know. Another donkey. Is that the same donkey? It's probably the same donkey. But it's a really nice, unique village. Look at that. Huh? Okay, I don't know where I'm headed, but let's see, can I get through this part? Where am I going? Oh no, let's go back. I was definitely wrong to go that way. Hi, donkey. Bye, donkey. Now let's go down here and see. Hope you're enjoying this walking tour of Kyanjin Gompa. It's called Kyanjin Gompa. All right. Namaste. I don't know what she said, but I think it's all love. All right, so I'm on the outskirts. I don't know what she said, but we're gonna keep it moving. This is another lodge. All right. Namaste. Hello, beautiful people. All right. Ah, look at that view. Look at that view. Look at that view. Okay, we've got plenty of time. Oh, look at, there's a cat. Oh. It's another guest house. So many. So many. Oh, someone set up a tent over there. Namaste. Namaste. I like that. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, that's the sun. Okay. I'm breathing a little bit hard here. Okay. Check that out. And then little souvenir shop. Wait, that's too much sun. I feel like these are all handcrafted. You know, can't go wrong. You're probably getting buying one of a kind merch from here. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Like I said, most of the dining hall and receptions are always on the top level. So if it's like a 3-level, it's at the top. Alright. That's pretty cool. Look at this view. Okay. Oh, someone else's lodge. Let's take a quick glance over here. Oh, that's yak poop. If you're wondering what they do is, I found this out last year when I did the Annapurna circuit. They actually dry the yak poop and then burn it to stay warm during the winter months. That's like really severe because there's no tree. They're limited. So that's a tent, and that's another tent, which is really cool. And there's some people over there on the roof. So let's see. This is a guest house. It's called Snow Leopard Guest House. Okay. Let's get another tent. And this is the viewpoint. Has a view of those mountains. Yeah, they burn the yak poop after it's dried to stay warm. Depends if you're used to it. You may not be affected by it, but we sure were as we got higher up in elevation. We definitely were. And it's that's good. That's really cool. Alright. Cutting through. It's another guest house. So many different side streets. Okay. Let's go over here. Another side street, another guest house. And a lot of bakeries. More bakeries than I initially thought. I thought that might have been, maybe there was just one bakery. There's like 3, 4, I would say 5 total. So, this is a little bakery chill spot. It's a little bakery here. Actually, namaste. Yeah, this is a nice bakery. He's listening to hip hop. Wait, I don't know if the lighting was any good. Oh, look at yaks. Hey, gotta get some yaks in. Oh, they just roam freely. There they go. Alright. Coming to an end with this walking tour of Kyanjin Gompa. I think I pretty much made it. Namaste. From start to finish, to give you an idea of what this village is like, what you can expect. Just to give you an idea of what you can expect when you come out here. Like I did, I had no idea. I really hope that this video helps to kind of put things in perspective, what to expect as far as guest house. Like and subscribe. Peace!